One of the goals of neuropathy treatment is to make those sensory neurons send signals from the feet back up to that spinal cord. We want to do that in a couple different ways. One is driving that internal signal transmission. Every receptor feels something, and when it's triggered, it sends that signal up to the spinal cord and then to the brain where it gets interpreted. Well, with neuropathy, oftentimes that either sensor isn't working as it should, or that nerve transmission line isn't propagating that signal as it should. So what we want to do is help stimulate the internal healing mechanisms inside a nerve to make it repair, make it regenerate as it should, so you get quality signals from that receptor through that spinal cord to the brain. Now with that, one of the best treatments we have is low-level laser therapy, or this class 4 cold laser. We're going to put a massive amount of energy into that foot and those receptors in the feet and toes to help make them send signals from the feet through its nerve line back up to the spinal cord. That mass signal transmission over and over again triggers the healing within a nerve. The other benefit of low-level laser therapy is it increases blood flow. So by bringing more blood flow to the neuron, you help it grab the nutrients it needs to put inside the neuron for repair and regeneration. That combination is a great way to get neurons to heal and repair themselves as they should, and they haven't been over a long time.